DJI has once again pushed the envelope in the compact drone segment with the release of the Mini 5 Pro, now featuring a 1-inch CMOS image sensor, a size that was previously seen only in larger drones. Here are the key features, implications, and considerations. What's new and impressive? Number 1, 1-inch sensor in a mini drone. The standout change is the inclusion of a 1-inch sensor. This gives the Mini 5 Pro much better light sensitivity, improved dynamic range, and generally higher image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions, example, low light or high contrast. Number 2, video performance. The drone supports 4K per 60 frames per second video with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, giving videographers more flexibility when capturing shadows and highlights. It can also do 4K per 120 frames per second for slow-motion video. Number 3, new camera modes and features. A 48mm med-tele mode, a kind of zoom, for closer shots without switching drones. Portrait optimization to make shots of people look better. A gimbal capable of 225 degrees roll rotation that enables more expressive, acrobatic angles. True vertical shooting built in, so portrait format videos and photos are captured directly in that orientation rather than oriented in post-processing. Number 4, flight and safety. Obstacle avoidance via forward-facing LiDAR sensors, front and back fisheye lenses, binocular sensors, and a 3D infrared sensor underneath, even usable at night. Size when folded, about 157 by 95 by 68 millimeters, unfolding to 255 by 181 by 91 millimeters. Weight remains under 250 grams. 2 battery options. Standard battery gives up to 36 minutes flight time. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, up to 52 minutes. With the better battery, max flight distance is about 32 kilometers. Number 5, availability and pricing. In Europe, the base kit, Drone Plus Controller, is priced at €809. A more complete bundle, 3 batteries, charging hub, shoulder bag, etc., costs €1,019. As of the global launch date, September 17, 2025, DJI confirmed the Mini 5 Pro will not yet be available officially in the US due to evolving local conditions. What it means? This move narrows the gap between larger, more expensive drones and portable minis in terms of image quality. A 1-inch sensor in such a small form factor is a significant step. For creators who travel, vloggers, or even serious hobbyists, the improved low-light capability, dynamic range, and new modes, portrait, tele, etc., make content more polished with less post-work or gear. Battery life, especially with the larger battery, looks respectable, given the added hardware, sensor, stabilization, obstacle sensors. Possible drawbacks and trade-offs. Although under 250G, the addition of a large sensor, extra optics, and safety sensors may risk pushing airline or regulatory weight limits in certain jurisdictions, which could complicate flying approvals or registration. The cost rises with added accessories, so to unlock full potential, longer flight time, accessories, etc., the premium bundle will be significantly more expensive. Not being available in the US initially may frustrate users there, especially those expecting or wanting an official launch with support. DJI's Mini 5 Pro is a strong showing in making high-level image capabilities more accessible in compact drones. The inclusion of a 1-inch sensor, combined with upgraded video performance, flight time, and safety features make it an attractive choice for creators who want quality without hauling large rigs. As always, buyers will need to balance cost, availability, and local regulatory constraints, but the Mini 5 Pro pushes mini drone photography a good deal further forward. That's it for today's TechTide news. Thanks for watching. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech stories coming your way.